Hey, it's Havana Brown and EFFIE Kats here, and a few months ago where we looked very, very different with different coloured hair. I had blonde hair and she had much longer hair. We filmed a video culling everything from my wardrobe.
Whoa, hang on a second. Okay, so she's come back from 8 years in Los Angeles, touring, performing, and her wardrobe was out of control.
Yes.
So she's enlisted my services.
That is true.
To remove pieces that need to go. Now, she's got quite an emotional attachment to a lot of pieces. I, on the other hand, have a clear, objective mind. So that's what we did.
She's like, no friend of mine is wearing that. And I'm like, really? Don't I look good in this cowboy outfit?
And I'm like, no, that's gotta go.
I just had an abundance of clothes that I wasn't wearing. I needed to rejuvenate my style.
Yes, we're talking like vintage pieces, Balmain 2009, like, there was some
and there's like
cool in their time, but
lucky I've got Effie to like just ruin my dreams and my emotions and not care about them and just get rid of them. No, I'm kidding.
We made space. We made
space for some new emotional attachments, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, and I think you made some really good choices of what to get rid of, because when you have an objective point of view and someone tells you that's not cool and you go, oh yeah, it actually is shit. It is pretty bad.
You're right.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
But you need someone to actually tell you that sometimes. And I appreciated her objective, but some pieces did make it back in my wardrobe because...
I was just about to say, I saw some stuff up there that I'm pretty sure I removed. So I'm going to be going up there after this.
They'll just disappear all of a sudden.
And prying them from your wardrobe. That's what's happening.
So if you're interested in any of the clothes, I'm going to be selling it. And I'm going to put all the information below this video. So any money that's raised will be going to charity, and I'll let you know.
So check it out.
Yeah. I don't know how I'm going to deal with this. Maybe I'll be a bit upset.
It's a process.
It's a process. We'll go. So first, Camilla and Mark had a moment with these shoulder pads. Over the years, the shoulders haven't held up well.
They kind of, they need to be
They need to be reshaped.
Yeah.
Let's put it that way.
Yeah. Out we go.
Okay, Zara. I've got like probably a heap of Zara in here. Like vest. Like a vest.
Yeah, I think this is much the same sort of situation. It's just, it's too intense for your petite frame here.
No. Okay.
It's got to go.
Okay. This is Zara again. When I go to the airport, right, you could be wearing trackies, like something like this.
Yep.
And then you put this on top.
What was it?
Or is this just too big? What do you think, guys?
I love the trench.
Oh, I got a message in here.
Love letter from Vince?
No. I hope you can something. I don't know if you can read this, guys.
Follow me back on Twitter.
Oh, is that what it says? Oh my gosh, you can read that? Hazmaz. Him or her. I'm going to make sure I check them out. But
okay, but this
out.
I love a trench, but I don't like a zip trench.
No, it's just not, you're not vibing on it.
No. I told you, I'm here for the tough decisions. More Camilla and Mark.
Which, this one I've worn a lot. I call it my gorilla jacket. It's kind of cool, right? No?
Oh, that's gotta go.
What? No chance. Seriously? No.
If someone threw you in the forest wearing that.
No, but no.
Gorilla would
wait. No, but it's cool. This one has a bit of a story. Okay, check it out. It's pretty full on, and I actually think this is not actually questionable because this bra, like these people who make costumes, or not costumes, but outfits in LA, they're called LA Rocks, and going on tour with Chris Brown, and I was releasing my first single, We Were on the Night.
Yes.
And I was like, I need an outfit, like proper outfit, and I got them to make this up for me. I was wearing this and the bra, not with this whole outfit, just the bra and this, and some underwear. So if you check out the We Were on the Night music video, for sentimental reasons, this is not going anywhere.
That's got to stay. Okay, see this? I'm liking it. This is more subtle.
You don't have to say you like it just because you've been hating on everything.
I like that.
Really?
I think that's cool.
Yeah?
I like a tassel. Don't get me wrong. I love a good tassel.
Okay.
I just think tassel and studs is overkill, but I feel like this, it's balanced. It's cool.
Okay. Good.
You will wear it?
I'll wear this.
Okay. I think this we can keep.
I've never worn it before.
Okay. If you've never worn it before, it's got to go.
Here we go. Tie-dye.
Okay.
Tie-dye and some French.
Okay. This I want to see.
Okay. Let's go. Let's give it a go. Brittany.
Tie-dye is such a vibe right now. You
Is
don't
it?
even know.
Really?
So I think this gotta go so I can take it to my wardrobe.
No way. I wore it once.
Okay, it's gotta go.
Okay. You know what? I wore it in New York once, and I felt like everyone was laughing at me.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not sure about this. See, I don't like this material so much.
I think like half leather sleeves were a vibe maybe like 6 or 7 years ago.
That's probably when I bought it.
So I
No?
think that's got to go.
You think?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm looking. We've got a green version. No, I'm putting it on.
That's got to go too.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, it hasn't even been worn before. From Zara. Yes.
Were you shoplifting? What is this right here?
Well, that's probably why I never wore it. Like, who buys this? So we just had a little break because
Hard work.
Oh,
Cheers,
cheers, girl. Can we just talk about this?
I'm already scared of this.
I did a video shoot and like I wore this and I loved it at the time too.
Can we just turn around so we can see? It's like an adjustable cap strap.
It's like
on
a
it.
cap.
Just in case you want to wear this a little tighter.
I could be like, you know, going down the grocery shop. This? Okay, it's gone, it's gone. Okay. This is, okay, opening ceremony.
Okay.
Is like this store in LA, New York.
I like them.
I went there to shop to find out their outfits and I found a trackie.
This I like.
What?
This can stay.
What?
This is a vibe. They need to come to me.
What?
This is a vibe.
Okay.
This is a vibe.
Okay.
This can stay.
Oh, I like your style. I like it. This is good. I was hoping you were going to say that. Okay.
Love. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, what is this right now?
So there's this boutique on Melrose Avenue called Sin. And the first time I ever went to Melrose, I bought a dress from them that I loved.
It's well constructed, but this really needs
I
to go.
always love like a low cut outfit. Cause
I do too. I like a plunge.
Yeah, I like a
I think
good
a plunge is always sexy.
Yeah.
Basic instinct.
Basic instinct.
Basic instinct.
You know what? All fashion should be based on basic instinct.
I could not agree more. Kochi?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why am I naked right now? Wait, 1 second.
Okay.
What happened to my drink? Are you drinking my drink?
It's my drink.
Jumpsuit.
Never.
Jumpsuit.
Polka dot. Gotta go. I love IMGR.
Yeah, me too.
This is a one-time wear.
Yeah.
This is a one-time wear. This is
Yeah, no. No, wait, I could DJ in that. I'm gonna take it back.
Okay.
This is good for like, you know, just chill. We're in winter right now, but in summer, this might be kind of cool to just wear. What do you think, guys? Actually, why does this feel tight? Oh, fuck it. I like a good, like, matching outfit. Could be like.
Oh, I love those pants.
Yeah, cool, right? Don't judge before I've dressed it. Oh no, I like this. I can dress this up with a belt.
Good interchangeable pieces. We like the pants. It's definitely a vibe right now.
That's why I trust your advice.
We're keeping
Okay.
this.
This one I've got to keep.
Gia, we're keeping it.
Okay. Summer, thick summer. We're not in summer.
No.
It's like a
No.
cheap knockoff, like, but looks good on
That is
like
not-
exotic.
There's a difference between cheap and nasty.
I kind of love it.
How many times do you want this?
2 times probably. I don't know. 4 years ago. Okay. There's a little simple dress.
Cute.
Looks like
Simple, elegant,
You know.
great for summer.
No.
Again, I like the cut. And this is the thing with these fast fashion brands. They nail the cut, but the fabric cheapens it.
You know why? Because it's so comfortable.
Okay. What is this?
This is Versus as well. Versace
Okay,
vibe,
I'm just
right?
gonna walk out the front door. This is a vibe. It's
Like-
like classic Versace.
I don't know. I just feel like if you're gonna be outrageous, let's be outrageous.
This,
Yeah.
approve.
Okay.
Approve.
For sure.
I'm just gonna borrow this.
Yeah. Anytime you want. This is a good shirt too.
Okay, that's good.
Why?
I love a nice a white palazzo pant is an absolute must for every girl's wardrobe for summer.
Yeah, right? Oh, these are good, right?
They're great. I don't know if I'd wear this. I think this is dated,
Yeah.
but so let's just get rid of that.
Okay.
Okay, out we go.
This is good, right?
Love that vibe. That's a great
Go
vibe.
sports girl.
This is a piece that was really in for Australian fashion for quite a while.
Yeah, it was a little
This
second.
is like standing the test of time, but
Yeah.
I feel like now this little baby's gonna go.
I've given it a good run for its
Yeah.
money, I think.
I'm obsessed with this. For Austin Heritage, you need to get some better zips.
Especially for the money.
Right? These are not cheap pieces. So we're struggling on the zip front. I love this piece. So this vibe here with the rings is so in right now.
Really?
It's coming through in a really strong way. Kim Kardashian just wore a dress really similar to this.
Oh, really?
I think I might borrow this for a second.
Yeah. Go for it.
Love. And it's a great
Oh,
colour. It's a standout colour for
Yeah.
summer. I just replaced the zip for you. I like the top half. I think we could slice this, make this a really nice top to like tuck into pants.
It's Michael Kors.
Yeah, I like this vibe here. With the,
Okay, let's
yeah.
keep that then. Yeah, we're getting to streetwear now.
I love Jeremy Scott. You have to keep Jeremy Scott just
Yeah.
because it's Jeremy Scott.
Yeah, okay.
That's
Done.
gotta stay.
Seriously, like a leather dress? What is wrong with my leather dress?